Hey guys, got a couple unboxings for you tonight. Here's a new Mighty Mouse, and I have a one of my computers needed a keyboard, and it was a PC at one of my servers, so I figured why not get an Apple keyboard for it. So, let's unbox it. Decided to go with the 10 key. Figured why not. Yeah, so there you have it. Here is the USB extension, which is comes really in handy, and the Apple keyboard right here. I'm sure you guys. I don't need to open this. You pretty much know it from here. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and it also came with some documentation and crap. Set that aside. You can see some of the features. Mighty Mouse isn't actually my favorite mouse. My favorite is the Microsoft Explorer mouse, which I've showed you guys many times before, with the Chrome and the Blue Track technology, with a camera down there and a light there, and it has a nice glow to it. Back and forward buttons with a nice aluminum bezel. It's a very nice mouse, programmable. So here, lots of crap, you guys know what's in there. And the mouse itself. Yeah. Waiting for Apple to make a rechargeable Mighty Mouse. That would make a lot more sense. So there it is. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys.